Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So today's security tip, don't use public Wi-Fi. Okay, I know right now not too many people are traveling, not too many people are flying in airports, not too many people are going to restaurants, but let me tell you what, as soon as we are released to go back to work, as soon as the restaurants begin opening, and this is going to happen in sooner times than you think, you're going to be out there, you're going to be using public Wi-Fi, you're so used to doing it now at home, you're going to be on Facebook, you're going to be on social media, and you're going to be doing it everywhere. So it's very, very important that we talk about this right now. Do not use public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi, especially at airports, restaurants, coffee shops, it's so easy to fake Wi-Fi anymore. In airports, as the airports begin to open up here in the near future, you're going to have a lot of business travelers going, and it's very convenient to jump on the airport Wi-Fi, but you don't know it's the airport Wi-Fi. You have no clue that it's true Wi-Fi. It's very easy to make a clone. You can put a clone in your back pocket and walk around and actually infect people with malware just by them attaching to this fake Wi-Fi that you've got set up. Things to do if you're traveling once these restaurants open. If you have open Wi-Fi, don't use it. It's much better to use your phone hotspot, much safer. If you go to a motel and you need to use Wi-Fi there, ask them the last time they changed the password. Make sure it's secure. They should put your name and room number information in. They should give you a different password. Ask them what the name of their Wi-Fi is, because you don't know. They may have 4 different Wi-Fi. Someone could come in and add a couple more, and now they have 5 or 6, and you connect to the 6th one, which happens to be fake. If you do need to use Wi-Fi, don't access email, shopping, or financial sites on public Wi-Fi. If you get hacked, they have all your information. Guess what? Now they have your email information. Once they have your email information, they know where you go, what you do, and it's not very long before they can figure out other ways to hack you. I can just hear the people saying out there, oh, don't worry about it, it's not going to happen to me, I'm smarter than that. Well, let me tell you, I've known a lot of people that this has happened to. You need to be safe, you need to be secure. Right now, with the virus stuff going on, the hackers out there in full force, they knowing everybody's on the internet, they're trying to hack you right now. You need strong malware protection. You just have to have next-gen protection. This old traditional malware antivirus stuff is just not good enough anymore. You need a malware protection that is next-gen, doesn't require any kind of connectivity to the internet. It only needs to be updated because it's machine learning. I know people that have been hacked and have had identity theft happen. This is not the time to have your credit messed up. It is very, very difficult to get a hold of anybody right now. And if your credit gets hacked and messed up, and people start charging on credit cards and trying to open things in your name, how are you going to prevent it? How are you going to stop it? And what are you going to be able to do about it? You can't even get a hold of a live person in most of these businesses anymore. It's only via email. So it's very, very important now that you think about that. You need to think twice before getting on public Wi-Fi. Please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendations on social gathering. Stay safe out there.